how to use Real Debrid with Stremio. So if you want to use Real Debrid with Stremio, then what you need to do is first you just need simply search for Stremio and just open up your Stremio application. And once you open the Stremio, you need to go with your browser, and here you need to search for torrentio stream.fun, and here you need to scroll down and you'll have this kind of interface. So you just need simply enter the information like the providers, the priority foreign language and everything, video size limit, Debrid provider. And after that, just click on install and go with Open Freedom to Steam. Once you've done with it, now you just need simply go with a new tab, and here you need to go with realdebrid.com, and after that go with sign up section. And once you click on sign up here, it will give you the information. So you need to create your username, your password, you need to repeat your password and then your email address and everything, and then click on sign up and create your account. And once you've signed up, you can just select a package, any package that you're comfortable with, and take a package on Real Debrid. And once you've taken the package, then you can just open up your Stremio and you can use your Stremio or your Real Debrid with Stremio. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.